you just come running back. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back.
Hi everyone, Nat here from the Traveling Foxes, and I'm currently in Siargao. This is my second time here, and if you haven't seen the previous videos in this beautiful island, I am going to be leaving the links below. Today, I've decided to do a room tour in this beautiful resort. Again, this is not a sponsored post. I kind of wish it was because this place is just so freaking beautiful. But anyway, I wanted to share with you guys this beautiful room. So enough talking from me, and let's go explore. Hey, no slippers allowed. I don't want sand in my room. Jeez. Anyway, come on in. So we are in the Guyam Island 1. This room is facing the swimming pool and also the beach. We have the ocean view, but we're not so close to the ocean because sometimes when your villa is too close to the ocean, the waves can be really loud. But we got the perfect view and you got the sea breeze. It's just a perfect spot. And not only that, we have our own private walkway, so it feels kind of exclusive, which I really like. So I can grab a book here and just enjoy the view. All right, now we will explore the room. Of course, the most important part is the bed, and we have a princess net, or you should say mosquito net. Yeah, it's actually really important here because there were quite a few mosquitoes. I don't know where they come in from. Well, we left the door open now, so obviously that's where they came from. You have a TV, you have a refrigerator with water, and I like this because you don't have plastic. They're trying to avoid single-use plastic here in Siargao, which I like. And for me, one of the really important things in having a luxurious vacation is having your own coffee machine to yourself, because I can't live without coffee. So just having this is really a plus for me. Let's check the toilets. So you have the bathtub and the shower. The only thing I don't really like about this setup is because the shower, there's no covers, so you get splashes all over the floor. But it's also really nice because it's an open toilet. The ceilings are high, you got good lighting, the ambiance is just perfect. I really like it. And look at our little flowers. One of my biggest pet peeves in beach trips is having sand in your resort and having sand on your bed. I'm sure a lot of you guys can agree. The sand is super annoying, especially if you go to bed with it. So one of the best things I like about this room is that there is an outdoor shower. So it's perfect because there's just a walkway from outside and you can come here, wash off all the salt from your body, and then go to the bathtub and wash off everything. So that is my quick room tour, and now we will explore the rest of the resort. Let's go! So while Natasha's still sleeping, I'm just going to show you guys the rest of the resort.